Welcome back to Wheeloscopy, the place where engine sound meets pure passion and every machine tells its own story. If you love bikes that carry heritage, attitude, and heart-thumping power, then today's video will take you on a ride straight into the future. Because Harley-Davidson has just dropped something massive, something none of us expected, the official unveiling of the new next-generation 2026 Harley Shovelhead. Yes, you heard it right. The legendary Shovelhead, a name that ruled the roads from the late 60s to the early 80s, has returned, but this time reborn for a new generation of riders. This isn't just a remake. It's a revival with modern engineering, updated performance, and the same old soul that made the Shovelhead iconic. So let's dive into what makes the 2026 Harley Shovelhead one of the most shocking and exciting unveilings of the year. The first thing you notice is the design. Classic Harley DNA but refined with modern aggression. The bike keeps that old-school silhouette, those muscular lines, and that bold cruiser stance. But now, Harley has wrapped it in premium-grade metalwork, advanced lighting, and a completely re-engineered frame. The fenders are sharper, the tank is sculpted with retro styling cues, and the whole bike looks like a perfect blend of vintage and future. Now let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine. Harley-Davidson has brought back the Shovelhead-inspired V-twin, but with all new internals, reworked combustion efficiency, liquid cooling, and updated mapping for cleaner power delivery. This new generation engine pumps out more torque, smoother acceleration, and an exhaust note that is pure Harley thunder. It's deep, it's raw, and it hits you right in the chest just like the old days. The 2026 Shovelhead comes with a redesigned 6-speed transmission for more refined shifting. Harley has also improved the ride geometry, giving the bike better cornering stability while keeping that heavyweight cruising feel. Whether you're riding slow through the city or cruising at high speeds on the highway, the bike feels solid, balanced, and full of confidence. Suspension has been taken to a whole new level. The front features an upgraded telescopic setup with improved damping, while the rear gets Harley's next-gen monoshock system. This gives the bike a plush ride even on rougher patches and keeps you comfortable on long road trips. Technology is where the Shovelhead truly steps into 2026. The bike features a digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster that preserves the retro feel but adds the clarity of modern screens. It also includes selectable riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, cruise control, keyless ignition, LED lighting, and even Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and music control. The seating position stays true to the cruiser spirit, low, relaxed, and comfortable. The new seat foam gives long-distance touring comfort, and the handlebars have been redesigned for better ergonomics. The bike feels like something you can ride for hours without fatigue. Harley is offering the 2026 Shovelhead in multiple color options, including classic black, metallic gray, custom red, and a limited edition vintage copper. Each one carries that bold badge and unmistakable presence that only a Shovelhead can own. In simple words, Harley-Davidson has taken nostalgia, power, craftsmanship, and futuristic engineering and fused them into one masterpiece. The 2026 Harley Shovelhead isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement, a reminder that legends never die, they evolve. So that's the full look at the newly unveiled next-generation 2026 Harley Shovelhead. Let me know in the comments. Do you think Harley made the right move bringing this legend back to life? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Wheeloscopy for more exciting reviews, walkarounds, and next-gen motorcycle updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ride.